Hello, my name's Sue Grant and I would like to welcome you aboard the Gunfleet 58 LATOBE. She's filmed here in Palma de Mallorca and we're just about to go on board via her very smart Benzonzoni gangway, which is new, and onto her spacious aft deck. You can see that she has twin wheels, big cockpit. She is a very good looking yacht. She is a centreboarder, so her minimum draft is a very manageable 5'8", and she has twin rudders which are running on a Mamba system, light and easy driving. She's got furling at the front. These are powered. They're by Selden, as is the rig, and she's got this really good twin anchoring arrangement. All flush deck hatches. The rig is fractional, it's triple spreader, and we'll just have a look at that. The mainsail is also hydraulic furling, and it's run on a Commander 400 power pack, which also operates the lifting keel. Great canvas, which is all new 2019. I should say that LATOBE was prepared for a world cruise. The owners have now decided to purchase a larger yacht, so whoever buys her has a yacht which is totally ready for world cruising. And now we're going to go back to the cockpit. The yacht has these fantastic helms. It's called the flight deck system. And if you see, the helms are reversed, so there are no spokes. And the two pedestals, also known as lecterns, have loads of area for toys. Electric Cooney davits. The transom actually is powered and opens to provide a transom step which is teak covered. It's running on Garmin, this yacht. It's all networked. It's C-zone system, all touchscreen. Garmin's powering all the sailing systems on the boat. Look at that fabulous varnish cockpit table and notice the rounded edges. Very cool. And now we're below. This is an absolutely enormous and very light main saloon. The interior is in maple, which adds to the effect. I love these hull windows, which just let light flood in. Big chart table area. And the upper windows also give you great vision and more light and air. The two front windows open for free flow of air, although of course she also has reverse cycle airco as well as central heating. Lovely galley there, and these steps come up to give access to the machinery aft, which is also a great idea. Fabulous detailing. And then we're going to start with the forward part of LATOBE. We're walking forward into the VIP double cabin, which is enormous. Again, amazing hull windows. Imagine lying in bed at an anchorage and looking out. Perfect. Beautifully detailed joinery. There's a little desk there, teak inlay, and look at this. This hatch is not only enormous, but it's joined by a second one, so this really is a great place for spending time, and of course there is storage everywhere. Door into the heads compartments, you've got a Jack and Jill arrangement. Look at this basin, love the basin. Corian surfaces. Again, hull windows for light and air. Separate shower stall. Electric heads compartments. All absolutely immaculate. The thing about this yacht is there are no rough edges, there's no sign of wear. She just is perfect. And please say hello to my colleague Addie, who's got the camera in hand. So that really is a great heads compartment. It can serve as an ensuite when you're sailing with another couple. And then let's have a look at the upper and lower berth cabin. Again, more light and air, lovely hull window, wide and long berths, lovely joinery detailing, and all of the lockers throughout the boat are Blum, and they're the self-locating lockers, so you give them a push and they just shut on their own. I think the maple really adds to the yacht because it makes her feel so airy. Big wardrobe there. And then we're going back into the main saloon. Very light, very airy. And here is the control panel, chart table, all Garmin, all networked, HD radar, plotters on both pedestals and down here. She's also got Garmin charting. And then here is the third guest cabin, upper and lower, storage and access into the engine room, which by the way is immaculate. We're just looking at the water maker. The boat's got twin inlet manifolds, which is very safe. Beneath the water maker you see the Volvo Penta main engine, and in front of that is an Onan generator. It's 11 kilowatt. She's got huge battery capacity, all gel. You see these lovely teak floors. And then we're going into the galley. Twin sink, 5-burner cooker, which is just epic, and there's also a full-size microwave. Refrigeration to the right, and to the left there is food storage and a washer dryer beneath, which we'll have a look at later. And here we are in the owner's cabin, sofa to port. Look at these side windows. Look at how the water is playing on the joinery. Huge owner's cabin, desk arrangement, very snug and safe, and you just looking out of the window, just so great. Flat screen TV, there's also a flat screen on a lift in the main saloon. Lots of lovely details and lovely opening catches which are positive. We have a great owner's ensuite, obviously with a separated shower stall. perfectly polished stainless steel inside and out on this boat. And then Addie's going to show us Corian surfaces. Another electric loo. And then back into the owner's cabin. Back through this lovely galley. Whilst we're there, I think we're going to have a look at what's happening here. Loads of storage. LATOBE, the Gunfleet 58